Hi all. In this video, we're going to set up the ACL rules for web access and the NAT policy. Let's go ahead and go into the interface. Let's set up the interface 1/1 for our untrust zone for web access. We're going to create the interface type as layer 3, untrust, virtual router, default, security zone, untrust. And let's give it an external IP address. For this example, let's use 73.253.52.90/29. Let's click OK. Let's go ahead to virtual routers and click the default virtual router. Go into static routes. We're going to put in our default route for web access. Go ahead and name it default route. Then give it a destination of quad 0/0. Set the interface to Ethernet 1/1. And the next hop will be IP address, and it'll be the IP address of the gateway. Let's go ahead to policies. Here, we're going to see the default policy, which is rule 1. We're going to go ahead and clone this rule. We're going to set this up for our guest policy to web access. Let's go ahead and name this guest access to web. Go ahead to source, change the source zone to guest zone. Destination, we're going to keep untrust, application any, service, application default, action allow. And for profile settings, we haven't created any profiles, but let's go ahead and use the predefined profiles that's already in the firewall. They're called default. Then click OK. Go ahead to rule 1 policy. We're going to rename this, and we're going to give it the name trust access to web. The service URL category we're going to set up as application default. And for actions, we're going to change the profile settings to default as well. And click OK. Go ahead to the NAT policies. We're going to set up the NAT policy for our trust and guest so they can access the untrust zone for our web access. For source zone, go ahead and place in trust and guest. Destination zone should be untrust. Destination interface should be Ethernet 1/1. Translated packet. Translation type should be dynamic IP and port. Address type, interface address. Interface Ethernet 1/1, and IP address will be the IP address that's on that interface. Click OK. Now time to commit your work. And when that's completed, you'll be able to access the internet from both your trust and guest zones. Thank you all for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.